This is Bukeye. Some of it anyways. Just on the way back from Bukeye, in the province of, actually I can't say it, starts with an M, ends with an A, has some Y's and B's in it. This is one of the many valleys. Beautiful. Very nice. Very nice. So many switchbacks and valleys. Very beautiful country.